First of all, I will be using the IMU GY521. It has a gyroscope and an accelerometer. The gyroscope measures the rotational velocity and can be set to different sensitivity levels. The full-scale range options are 250 degrees per second, 500, 1000, and 2000 degrees per second. The accelerometer, which measures linear acceleration, also has configurable sensitivity levels. The full-scale range of operations are 2, plus minus 4, plus minus 8, and plus minus 16 G. Arduino Uno, and here I am using the Uno R3, and 4 male to female wires. So, how to set up the circuit? This is a schematic diagram of the connections. Connect VCC to any 5 volts out pin of Arduino Uno. Connect the ground to any ground pin of the Arduino. Connect the SDA to the A4 pin and SCL to the A5 pin. First of all, connect the wires to the IMU. Then connect the IMU to the Arduino. This is the code that I will be using in order to run the IMU successfully. The code starts by including the needed libraries, and in this case we need the wire.h library. Initialization then takes place and data is read from the MPU 6050 sensor. Then it captures accelerometer and gyroscope values and prints them to the serial monitor every second. It uses I2C communication to interact with the sensor and continuously updates the data output. Then connect the Arduino board to your laptop and select the correct COM port. Then you can compile and upload the code and it should run successfully. You can notice that when I move the IMU, the values are changing.